Problems 9 and 10, Motor 4 Study Guide. Complete the table for an object that goes 3/4 miles in 6 minutes. First thing I want to point out is this is actually 6 minutes. 1/10 of an hour is 6 minutes. The easiest way to do this is to change all of these into decimals. So 3/4 is actually 0.75. So we're going to remake this chart. 1.5 is 1.5. And 2 1/4 is 2.25. And then on the bottom we have 1/10, and we're looking for these two. So you'll have a calculator for this, so you'll be able to see how do you get from 0.75 to 1.5. You multiply by 2. If you do it at the top, you have to do it down here at the bottom. 1/10 times 2 is 2/10. Now how do you get from 0.75 to 2.25? That's times 3. So down here, multiply by 3. And 3 times 1/10 is 3/10. So we're going to go ahead and circle this or put that here because that's the answer, 3/10. The issue is with this one. That is the answer, but you do not put 2/10 in this spot because 2/10 can be simplified. Divide them both by 2, and the actual answer is 1/5. So that's the answer for number 9. Now number 10, if a person bikes 2.4 miles in 10 minutes, how far do they bike in 1.5 hours? Okay, well we have minutes here. So how many minutes is 1.5 hours? Well, 1 hour is 60 minutes. An hour and a half is actually 90 minutes. So make sure we don't use 1.5. We need to use 90 minutes. So how do we get from 10 to 90? Times 9, and we'll do the same thing at the top. So 2.4 times 9. 9 times 4 is 36. 9 times 2 is 18, plus 3 is 21, and we have to move the decimal over 1 time. So the answer to number 10 is 21.6.